May sabi doon ako sa airport, naka-check in ako guys, muntik na ako hindi nakaalis guys. Kasi sabi, first time ko daw sa Baco, if my first time in Baco. So I said yes. So hindi ako na-accept dun sa ano, hindi na-accept to the check-in area. So dinala ko sa ano, dun sa other counter guys. Tapos almost 20 minutes ako. 20 minutes I'm waiting. And then they are asking me, did you travel in any different country? And then I said yes. And then after that, they approved me guys. So, and then they asking me if how much the money that my pocket money. Yes, of course. I said, of course I have. So I said,